Today in this video, we'll be guiding you on how to move money from your Walmart Money card to Cash App. Start by opening Cash App on your phone. From the home screen, tap the profile icon located in the top right corner. This will bring you to another screen. Scroll down and tap on the linked banks. Next, select Link Debit Card. Now, you'll need to enter the detail for your Walmart Money card. First, input your card number, then add the expiry date and the 3-digit CVV. Lastly, enter your zip code, which is the same as your postal code. Once you've entered everything, tap the Link Card button in the bottom right, and your card will be successfully linked. Next, go back to the Cash App home screen. Tap the bank icon in the bottom left corner. From here, tap Add Cash. A pop-up will appear where you can either select a preset amount or use the 3 dot to enter a custom amount. After choosing the amount, tap Add Cash. Confirm by entering your Cash App PIN and you're done. That's how you transfer money from your Walmart Money card to Cash App. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.